Ayi bafethu Shebe iGhost bafethu pha ku Freshman Magazine today angithola ngidoyibukela no lento yakhona I think inama are call this thing nama minute the job drawchwa nje fethu ina 1 hour idobokudrawchwa bafethu angithola udrophile lapha yana kushuthi manje ushebe bafethu ugaye ozinqimali 40k ngegame nje encane nje kudlala nje igame I'm gonna have 40k. You understand? To show ukuthi say I'm working as a man. I make money as a man. Angithola likhompo bafethu linemali, ushebe unemali. Ayikabi bafethu, it goes to shebe bafethu unemali. But ke asikho lapho ke. Yabo because la babuza about ukuthi which is the best song abayenzi nozinqumalo. So uzinqumalo yathi no senze ingoma eziningi but we choose Iradolaga because it was the hit amongst all the songs that we have. Babuzo asikomnandi ezinye no zimnandi lezi ezinye just ukuthi sichoose le because we feeling like it's a good time to see it drop bafethu. And bafethu I'm very inspired. Yeah, let me put like that. I'm very inspired by these two artists. I understand from the fact ukuthi uzinqumalo ukwazi ungena kulikompo bafethu. That's 100%. Uyakwazi ungena kumaskandi. That's 100%. Piano, that's 100%. Three step, that's 100%. You understand? It shows ukuthi umntana onjani o talented, o versatile bafethu. Uyayibona lento le. And siseningi ngoma bazenze no Shebe which like bazodrop makuva isikhathi bafethu. I can't wait for that bafethu. I truly can't wait for that bafethu. Ayikabi bafethu ngisabumela ukuthi bayidrop bafethu noma kanjani. Siwazi ukuthi yene simamele good music bafethu. Plus festive is around the corner. Uyayibona lento le. Enye into abayiphakamisile kubaleka kakhulu bafethu abephamisa khona besithi khona uShebe unengoma kazenzile nobani noma who wala uShebe bafethu iGhost bafethu uShebe shit Ghost bafethu ayazazi ukuthi uyenzani and I love team yakhe ayithola lento le ukuthi basebenzana kahle ukuthi noma siyenze into yenzeke enizokwenzeka bafethu izokwenzeka uShebe bafethu in years to come sikhulume into about uShebe abantwana bam-undermine bamnyatsa benza zonke ezibhedayo uShebe just because besifila ngendlela abasifila ngayo just because bafuna uShebe afile but trust me uShebe ngiyafile bafethu that guy is very very focused that guy will never fail and yabaza abantu abamtestayo yabaza abantu ababaza ngenegativity usmart but mambhekile ukuthi uShlima but it's very smart that nigga guys yayibona into le so we can't wait for ama project akhona abasebewenzile ukuthi baba drop bafethu silaleleni music omnandi enjoy nemindeni yethu special masenza ama